Hi kids, in today's session we will do plus 3's big friends formula. Where do we apply plus 3? I always tell this in every video. Where do I apply plus 3 big friends? Where I am not able to do plus 3 small friends and I don't have beats for plus 3. Okay. Now, if I have 7 with me, I have to do 3. Can I do 3? Small friends also can't do 5 is already there. Big friends left, no? Big friends formula of plus 3. Add God, less friend. Add 10, less 3. Add 10 less 7, sorry. Okay. Add 10 less 7. Again, plus 7. Can't add 3. Formula of plus 3. Add God less friend. Alright. I have 9. I have to do 3. How am I going to do? Add God less 7. Got it? I have 9. I have to do. I have 8 now. I have to do 3. Add God less 7. Got it? Do a big question with me. Add 1, add 8, minus 6, add 5, add 3. How will I add 3? I am stuck. I can't do small friends of 3 also. Add 10, less 7. Big friends. Clear? Good. If you have any doubts, drop it in the comments. I'll get back to you. Okay? Bye.